guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you my DIY waist band that I did. You guys, this is just from watching this and that. It wasn't really a full tutorial on YouTube or whatsoever. So I received one, but before I received this one that I purchased, I already did mine. But again, it's not perfect, but you can do yours and it might be perfect than what I did. I learned it from Sharon. You guys, I will put her information either here or there. You know, you guys can go to her channel and learn. So if you don't want to pay too much money, you know, I went to Amazon and got the belt from it, and then the Velcro, and that's basically it. You can hand sew it, or if you have a sewing machine, you can sew the Velcro, and so that it won't pop out. If not, it definitely will pop up because you have to sew it around, okay? So this is my waistband DIY, you guys. So this is, you know, thinner than what I actually saw on the videos and things, but like I said, you know, you can get the band thicker than what I have here. So I put a Velcro right here and I hand sew it here, okay? So you can use needle and thread. Like I said, look what I did. It's not perfect, but it's just a DIY. You know, I was using this before I actually got my own, you know. So so I have this, like I said, it's pretty long here, like so. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I just did a tutorial, updated video on the new band that I received, so I just want to show you guys the DIY one that I did. So I did put a Velcro right here where these two meets, and then at the end as well. Okay, so you guys, so I'm gonna do this like so. So I'm going to do this like so. Okay. And make sure the two Velcro meets, because if not, it's going to really itch you. And yeah. So I did this. And then now all you have to do is just wrap it around. Wrap it around like so. You can make it tighter as well. If you don't want it up too much, you don't have to. And then I will snap it right here. Okay, guys. So that's what I did. And then I will take my garment, I'll pull it up like so, and put my pants on. You will not even tell I have it on. Okay. So this is the back and this is the front. Okay, guys. So what do you guys think? I think it's snatch. It might not be that too snatch, but that's the best I could do. So okay, guys. Let me know what you think down below, in the comments. Yeah, so this is my DIY. I have two now. This one plus the one that I got from AliExpress. And yeah, so I can switch up whenever I want to give me that that snatch look. Like I said, you can bring it all the way here. You can buy more elastic, um, yeah, you know, if you want it all the way up here. Okay, but like I said, I was just trying something to see. So, alright guys. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.